Good evening everyone, welcome back to Race IAS. Recently, Indian External Affairs Minister 𝐻𝐸𝐵 launched the Tulsi Ghat restoration project of Varanasi during his visit to Kampala, Uganda. So today we will talk about this project. The project has been launched by the Foreign Minister on 10th April 2023 in Kampala, Uganda. The Tulsi Ghat renovation project is an initiative whose main objective is to enhance the aesthetic appeal of the world's oldest inhabited city, Varanasi, to the world. It is noteworthy that the chairmanship of the organizing the summits of the non-aligned movement changes every 3 years. Therefore, the External Affairs Minister has also supported Uganda to chair the non-aligned movement on behalf of Africa for the period from 2022 to 2025. Now let's move forward and know about his travel to Mozambique. External Affairs Minister will visit Mozambique from 13th to 15th April. This will be the first visit by an External Affairs Minister of India to Mozambique. The 5th meeting of the India-Mozambique Joint Commission will be held under the chairmanship of the foreign ministers of both the countries. During his visit to Mozambique, the External Affairs Minister travelled from Maputo to Machava in a Made in India train after offering prayers at the Vishambar Mahadev temple in the capital Maputo. Also, virtually inaugurated the 670-meter-long 𝐏𝐸𝐵 bridge built by India on the 𝐏𝐸𝐵 river in Mozambique. In March 2023, India conducted military exercises with 9 countries in Africa, as well as a separate meeting with the military chiefs of African countries. In March 2023, Cyclone Freddy caused widespread damage to life and property in Malawi, Mozambique and Madagascar. Now let's move forward and know more about Uganda. Uganda is an equatorial country in the East Central Africa, which is completely landlocked. It is bordered by Kenya to the east, Sudan to the north, Democratic Republic of the Congo to the west, Rwanda to the southwest, and Tanzania to the south. The southern part of the country includes a large portion of Lake Victoria, which forms the border with Kenya and Tanzania. Its capital is Kampala. Currently, the president is Yoweri Museveni and the prime minister is Robina Nabanza. The official currency of this country is Uganda shilling. Now let's move forward and know more about Mozambique. The capital of this country is Maputo and the official currency is Mozambican Metical. At present, the president of this country is Filipe Nyusi and the prime minister is Carlos Agostinho da Rosario. So this is all about this topic. For more such current related updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel and download the Race IAS app. And information regarding the new batches, please call on the numbers given on the screen. Thank you for watching and have a great day.